Hi everyone, welcome to learnautomation.com. This is Mukesh. So in this video we are going to talk about how to download and install SoapUI, and we'll open SoapUI and we'll see how this look like, and we'll see that what are the options are useful for us and how exactly we are going to use this. So we'll see the high level agenda. I don't have much content for this because here we will totally focus on the downloading and installing process. So now it has two versions. So let me tell you, we are not going to use the paid version. So that is SoapUI Pro. We are going to use the free version of the SoapUI. And one important note, if you're working with an organization, they must be using SoapUI Pro. So don't worry about it. And SoapUI having so many advanced features like generating reports and so many other features that you will not get in free version, but that's fine. We can start working with a free version once you're familiar, and if you want to explore much, you can go with the pro as well. And good thing about this is it will give you 14 days pro version free trial. So once you're done with the complete SoapUI tutorial, you can take a free trial for 14 days and you can explore much feature of SoapUI Pro. So here we will download the free version. So how you can download it, just navigate to any browser. Let me open in a cognito mode and simply type download SoapUI. So it will give you the first link, that is the official link for soapui.org. So if you open in a new tab, so this is the download section, latest release.html, and here you will get two options. Do you want to go with open source or try pro version? So I will simply click on download open source, and you will see one file started downloading, and I will click on pause as of now. You can see it's 116 MB file. That's quite lengthy, and I already have this in my machine, so I will not going to download this again. You can download the full, and here once you are redirected to downloading page, so they have given very good help section for you. So if you want to move forward, you can check all the sections. There are some free tutorial they have uploaded. They have given some API example projects. So they have exposed some of the APIs for Facebook, Twitter, Google Maps, and you can explore it. They have given some REST project as well as a demo. So you can go through all this once you are complete with part 3 that we are going to cover next. So once you're done with all this, you can explore this SOAP UI. It's a very good tool. So once this file will complete, you can let me check whether I have this exe file or not. So in C drive, I have one software folder. Yeah, I have one folder called SoapUI. So you will get this application in a form of exe. Simply double click on it. You will get this SoapUI symbol. Double click on it, and it will ask you to click on next. Click on I accept the terms condition. It will install like a normal software as we do in a day-to-day basis. And once it is installed, you can directly check. So if you're working with Windows 8, you can search for SoapUI, and you can see it will take some time to start the SoapUI. So SoapUI is a by Smart Beer. Okay, so you will get some more tutorial in this smartbeer.com. So once you're familiar with SoapUI, you can start exploring and you can create sample projects and explore as much you can. So we'll wait for this. So once it is, yeah. So I have already two projects here. So you can see in the left hand side, two projects are listed here, my soap and rest project one. Since I was working with different projects, so I have one project for soap, I have one project for rest. We'll cover both. So you will get blank page here in the left hand side. You will not get any project. Plus you can see here they are giving one startup page. So they have given very good tutorials here. If you're new to API testing, you can read this tutorial. They will give you so many defined APIs, or you can say some web service. So you can start working on that previous defined web services and you can explore it. And I will highly recommend, once you are done with the basic free version of soap, you can try this 14 version. So because it has some dynamic features, like it can take the data from different sources, you can switch into the multiple environment, you can generate very good reports as well, that's very important, and so on. So since you are new to this, I will show you what are the options available. This is empty. So if you want to create an empty project, you can select empty and you can start creating an default project. And one section, if you are working with SOAP web services, you can start creating SOAP project. And here you will see it will ask you one WDS file. So we will discuss about WDS. If you are working with the REST API, then you need to select a REST project, and it will ask you give me the name and URI. So this is the URI part. If you want to import any existing project that you already have in your workspace, you can directly import any existing project. So you can see here I have some previous projects already in my machine, so I can directly go and use them. So I don't have to create a new project. I can import as well. I can save this one forums Excel section, and you can see the trial version if you want to move forward. And here some other preferences that you can use. So there's some WDS setting, proxy setting, SSL setting. So once you start working with an organization, then maybe you need this proxy setting and other things. You can customize this tool using these preferences. Now here you will get some basic options that you already we discussed. You can create empty project, so project, UI, import, export. You can switch to the workspace. Yeah, one thing I forgot. Once you install the SoapUI, it will ask you that specify the workspace. Now, what this workspace is, it is just a place in your hard disk where it will store all your SoapUI projects. Okay, so project, suite creation, case, step, tools. Right now, this is all are you can say disabled because we have not created any step. The different tools you can combine with SoapUI. So this is pure the development activity. Don't worry about it. And there's one help section. And if you want to check some tutorials, you can go with this getting started. Okay, so once you start working on this SOAP UI, you will get familiar. Okay, so this video will be only this UI, how this will look like. You can close this startup page and you can start creating your project on the left hand side. You can delete the projects and you can do all the activities that we do on a general basis. So in the next part, I will create one SOAP project and I will show you how you can use the SOAP project, how you can send request, how you can get response, and how you can capture the response and use assertion. That's all for this video. If you still have any doubt, then you can contact me. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.